Alright, so what we have here is a Dodge Ram 2006. As you can see, it's rotting out now. 4x4 SLT. But today, what we're going to do is to put some leveling kit or air ride suspension, airlift, what they called, to fix my issue with heavy load and the vehicle. It will tilt if you put too much load, or even a trailer. So to help the suspension, I decided to put airlift assist. So let's do it. Here we are at the bottom. As you can see, this truck is rusting out, so this is why I kind of maintain the rust proofing in this vehicle. The main reason that I really need to put the air ride, the lift kit, it's because of this. See that? One of the lip spring broke off. Right? That's supposed to be one piece. Seems like every Dodge Ram I have these issues. So to eliminate this, another future breakage, I have to put a lift kit in here to assist this lip spring. Luckily this side is still okay, but if I don't do any upgrades, it will break also. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so here's our lip kit, order from the Amazon. Let's take a look. So Firestone lip kit. So that's what it look like. You need one for your Dodge Ram or for any vehicle you, whatever it may be. This may be a good kit for you. So as you can see, all the hardware is here. So here it is, all of this, all of what it comes with the kit. So you got all the hardware you need, nuts and bolts, fittings, zip ties. You have your airline, obviously you have your airbags here, and your brackets, right? Another bracket here. You got U-bolt, and your some zip ties, and a manual. So yeah, let's install this thing. So first, we're gonna have to remove this stopper here. There's two bolts, one here, one other side. You might have this kind of issues. So I finally got it removed, but the problem is one bolt snapped because of the rust. So as you can see here, right, the other one came out but not the other one, so you might not have these issues. I kind of pre-assembled the kit, put the bracket top and bottom, so this is not tight yet, so I just put everything so that when I put it over there, I can adjust whatever it needs to be adjusted. Okay, so what I did is I just put them on top of the axle or the drive shaft or differential. They're not hooked up on the frame yet, because once you hook this up to the frame, you cannot lift it with the frame. You have to lift them here from the differential, because they're not recommend. You can, but they're not recommend. What happened is, if this airbag hooked up into the frame and you see the gap here, the bag will stretch, and you know it will break. So they're not recommend to do that. So what I do, I just put it in place here. They're not completely tight. And then once I put everything, I'm gonna bring the vehicle down and compress. Once this thing go to the frame, then I start to put the bolt. And another thing too, my only complaint for now with this kit, it doesn't come with the frame bolts, right? Because my frame bolt is rusted out. Obviously I cannot use this. So, and the other one actually broke off, right? So that's the only complaint I have right now. They should come with a bolt, but anyway, I managed to get a new bolt, so that will fix the issues. But yeah, so other than that, I'm going to put this vehicle down and put the bolt in, and or maybe I have to put the line first. Put the line, and then once the line is set up, and then I put it down and bolt it in, because once you bolt this in the frame, then I cannot lift it up with the hoist, unless I have to lift up here the differential. All right, so here how I fix the broken bolt underneath. So I have a broken bolt underneath here. I could have drilled there, but it's really hard position because in the top. So right now, so what I did, I instead drill on the side of this bracket here, drill it, top it, put a new bolt. So that's the new bolt. The existing bolt is here because that's still fine. So that's what it looked like now. I was gonna weld it, but the problem with the welding, you can't remove it. I mean, you can remove, but it's, you know, you're gonna have to grind it and everything. Occasionally I'm going to, you know, I might gonna have to change the brakes and stuff like that. Then I have to grind it. So this way, if I have to lift the frame while the differential is hanging, I can do it just unbolting these bolts here, and then let it go this way. So that's why I decided to drill here. It's a lot easier. Top it, put a new bolt, and you're done. So yeah, that's how I fix this. All right, so this is the installation is done for these airbags. Everything is set up. I actually put it into the stand, jack stand. You have to do this in order for you to put the mount at the top. So I already put all the line, right? So I put a split loom on the line. This is supposed to be the line, right? All the way there, as you can see. As you can see there, right? So I put a split loom so to protect it a little bit, right? So that's how I kind of line it, and all the way here, and and here's where I put my valve stem. So it's right there, right, and also on the other side. So I put it here because it's a lot safer, right? Because if I do a lot of cargos and a lot of junk scraps, so I don't want to put it in the here in the back because I might hit it. This is the safest place for this valve stem. So all the way, see that, the line, there's the line right there, and all the way there, right? So I did not put the heat shield since I live in Canada. It's not really hot around here, so it should be alright. And yeah, so we'll see, put some air, what does it look like? Alright, so let's put some air and we'll see the difference. That's about 20 psi. You see it lift up? See? Now the airbag is filled. So it's around 20, 25 psi right there. So I can still put more, around 30. But you see, you can see the truck lift up. So yeah, that's it for the install. So thank you for watching.